सब्सक्राइब कीजिए टेक सपोर्ट चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए टेक्नोलॉजी वीडियोस सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Introducing the Works Aero Cart, the smart new way to lift and carry just about anything. Need to move something huge? Just flip the dolly flap and you've got a heavy-duty hand truck. Don't strain moving heavy potted plants. Just extend the reinforced steel arms, hook on the plant strap, and the Aero Cart makes the job easy. Snap on the cylinder holder and the Aero Cart is a barrel, water jug, and garbage can transport. What if you can barely lift something in the first place? Simply roll heavy rocks or bags of gravel on the rock lifting mesh and let Aero Cart do the lifting for you. For a huge item, just flip down the extended dolly arms and the Aero Cart becomes your own personal forklift. Aero Cart will help you in so many ways. You can add a trailer pull and now you have a trailer mover. Use the bag holder to make cleaning up leaves and yard debris easier, and the list goes on. Aero Cart is revolutionary because it makes even heavy loads feel lighter than air. The secret is Aero Cart's breakthrough design that places the wheels right under the weight of the load. This gives you unprecedented leverage and instantly makes you up to 4 times stronger. Old-fashioned wheelbarrows make you do all the heavy lifting. Ever try moving 200 pounds in a regular wheelbarrow?
That's really hard to carry. I would never try to pick that up.
But watch as the same person lifts the same 200 pounds now in the Aero Cart.
Oh, so the Aero Cart's easy. I can easily pick this up with no problem.
Old-fashioned wheelbarrows have only one wheel, so they're unbalanced and easily tip over. Aero Cart has 2 wheels, so it's super stable. And you know how regular wheelbarrow tires always seem to be flat when you need them? That'll never happen with Aero Cart. Our never-flat tires are always ready when you are. And they're made for outdoor or indoor use. Aero Cart's nice and narrow shape lets you get through the gates and doorways where ordinary wheelbarrows can't go. The Aero Cart is made of all steel construction. It's tough and built to last. It just might be the most versatile cart ever invented. You'll use the Aero Cart year-round, and it'll always lighten every load. So why clutter up your garage with so many machines? With its compact design, the Aero Cart stores in as little space as a pair of boots. Remove the handles, and the Aero Cart slides into the trunk of your car, so you have lifting power on the go.
I love the maneuverability, I love the big tires, I love the leverage that you can get with it, and it takes up hardly any space in the garage.
The 7-ton electric log splitter takes the hassle out of cutting your firewood, simple and stress-free. This easy-to-use splitter allows you to cut down logs for drying and storage at any time of the year, with a ram pressure force of up to 7 tons. This efficient and labour-saving garden tool features a maintenance-free steel construction, with easy setup and two-handed operation for safety and precision. The Logmaster incorporates a self-lubricating hydraulic ram system with automatic return, cutting out the hard work and allowing you to cut up to 100 logs an hour. This splitter is able to handle logs as big as 52 cm in length and 25 cm in diameter. This splitter can be operated at ground level or raised on the included stand to make cutting for longer periods of time more comfortable. The Logmaster also includes wheels for easy manoeuvrability, transportation and storage. For more information on our range of garden machinery, please visit our website.
Look at all those dandelions. Along with that being a little bold, imperfections could mean back strain from bending, sore knees from kneeling, or a whole lot of toxic herbicide. But not with our weeders. Whether you have a lot of invasive plants in your yard or just a few, our innovative weeders make removing weeds almost effortless. Simply position the head over a weed and step down on the foot platform to drive the serrated claws into the ground. Give that pesky little invader a hug. Pull back, and the claws will grab the weed and its roots and pull it cleanly from the soil. Then eject the weed from the claws with one simple motion. Just like that, you're done. When it's this easy, you may find yourself weeding every lawn in the neighborhood.